Hey guys, good morning, and welcome back to another vlog, another day in the life of a country farmer, country girl. This is my farm life, my country life in Jamaica, and this is yours truly, Shan. And today we're on my Thyme farm. We'll be picking out the water grass and showing you what's been happening, giving you some updates on my farm. A few showers of rain and the sun has been out, so everything's springing up, everything looking green, and I'm happy for that. So I'm just here this morning to do some work on the farm and share some of the updates, some farm updates with you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. You're watching Shan Unique Vlogs JA. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're on the farm again. We're on our farm in St. Elizabeth in the Breadbasket Parish of Jamaica. And guess what? Thyme need cleaning out again. But this time I'll be doing it by myself because it's not a lot of weed. It's just mainly water grass, as you can see. These are the grass that we call water grass. These are easy to pick out. But what happens when you pick them out, you have to shake them off because they're easy to catch back. So you shake off the dirt when you pick them out. And I learned this only a few months ago because I used to just pull them up and then I just leave them. But I was told to shake them off, you know. Okay, let me see, mat the palm time. Oh, it's not a mat. Alright, so you can see this time has a little bit of black rot. Right here. The thyme needs a little treatment. So I'm going to give it some of my organic fertilizer. It's an insecticide and it's a fungicide and an insecticide and a fertilizer. So it's 3 in 1. So I'm gonna give it some of that today. So guess what? Tell me it's Christmas without telling me it's Christmas. Cereals start to put on, start to blossom. A lot of people have cereal ready already. Alright guys, so as I said, we're on the Thyme farm on my Thyme. So what I'm basically doing is picking out the water grass and the small seeds that can just be picked out with hands, because I'm not going to allow what happened the other day to happen again, which is when it was overgrown by bushes and weeds. So what I'm doing basically in the mornings, I come over here and I try to pick out the water grass. Sometimes I don't get to come every single morning, but at least every other morning I try to come, right? So that's what I'm doing here, and it's pretty easy. Just pick and shake and that's it. The water grass, I leave it in the farm because it dries up and forms mulching, and so it keeps the thyme cool. So if there's a time where I don't have any water or there's no rain, it helps to keep the plant cool. I have been seeing one and few black rats on the farm. I haven't seen any macacuckoo worms. Those worms, I've seen some of those worms on this farm because cassava was planted over here and also sweet potato, and macacuckoo worms love sweet potato and cassava. But so far I haven't encountered any macacuckoo. But I've seen some black rats, so I'm going to use my liquid organic fertilizer, which was made by somebody in my community. He actually makes the 3 in 1 amazing product. It's an insecticide, a fungicide, and a fertilizer, and it has worked excellently. Some people are a bit iffy about using it because of the process of how it's made, but trust me, it is good, it is clean, and it is healthy because he has a biodigester that he used to break it down, and it has no scent at all, opposed to some of these organic fertilizers that I see them selling at the farm store. They have this horrible scent that I don't know why it has to smell like that. It's supposed to be organic, right? All right, one of the things too is that this liquid organic fertilizer is used by a lot of the farmers down there in New Forest. And if you know New Forest in Manchester, it is on the south side of Manchester, and it is the place in Jamaica that produce the most seasoning, the most scallion and thyme anywhere you can find in Jamaica is in New Forest. All right, it produces a large amount. I know they used to export scallion from New Forest. I'm not sure if they do it anymore, but callaloo, thyme, and scallion, that's New Forest in South Manchester. And as I said before, most of the persons down there who have thyme and scallion, they use this liquid organic fertilizer because it is very good. All right, these are some of the cucumber seeds that I planted. I just drop a few seeds in between the time. I say I can use those cucumbers for my home purpose. You had seen me planted it the other day. Well, as you can see, they are starting to grow, and soon I will have cucumber. I just have to take care of them. I don't know how that box get in my farm. I guess it blew over here from the neighbor's house. See, I'm picking out the small water grass, and they're easy to pick out, very easy to pick out. Just pull it from the root, shake off the dirt. That's it. Also have a few weeds and shrubs in the farm, so I'm just hand picking them out. As I say, I'm not allowing the farm to overgrow like it did the other day. I can come in every other morning, even if it's every 3 days, but I can come in and just pick out with my hands, which is much easier and less costly. And sometimes what I like to do, guys, I like to just pamper the plant or the flower or whatever I have in the farm. I like to talk to them and tell them that this is mom, and mom wants you to grow healthy and strong so you can feed people. Yes, you have to talk to your plant. I mean, I know lots of people who do that. They talk to the farm and they talk to whatever crop they have in there, and let the farm know that you're looking for abundance from it, and you're looking for healthy crops, healthy growth. Speak to your farm, and your farm will speak back to you by growing and producing a lot. And if you're doing it for profit, or you're doing it just for yourself, whatever it is, it will grow. Whatever you plant will grow healthy, and your farm will be prosperous. So the sun come out, and hubby bring me tea, and bring me tea in this cup. Seriously. He brought me coffee in this glass cup. I don't understand why, but anyways, sun came out, and he brought it just the right time. Now it's back to work. Alright, now that I have finished picking out most of the water grass and the weeds, I'm going to turn on the drip irrigation and the thyme for 10 minutes so you guys can see how the drip irrigation system works. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful days. The sky is blue. Just a few splatter of clouds. Or should I say beautiful morning. Alright, so I'm going to show you now how the drip irrigation works. As you can see, the irrigation hose is dripping right there. Right, so the thyme is getting some water early in the morning, which is the best time. The best time to water them is early in the morning or late in the evening. You don't want to water it in the hot sun, in the midday sun. It will shock up the thyme and burn it up. Down by the bottom there, we have the melon, but the melon is not doing so good. So I'm more focused on the thyme more than anything else. Well guys, we've come to the end of another video, and I thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. This is actually over by my house. I have this beautiful flower that I wanted to show you guys. It actually blossoms two color. They call it today, tomorrow. Today, tomorrow, yesterday. Or yesterday and today. One of them. But I absolutely love to see it blooming. So I wanted to show you guys. And these are just few of my plants. Alright now guys, bye. Enjoy.